Hi everyone, welcome to Sol's Kitchen. If you are new here, please like and subscribe, click in the bell to get all notifications. Today I make this delicious pozole with the chicken and the red chile. This pozole is very delicious and traditional in the Mexican food. And I have the tips and the secret for making the delicious pozole very special. Let's begin. I have one full chicken, 6 pounds of chicken, the white hominy, pozole blanco, 6 pounds. I have 1 bulb of garlic. I cut only a little bit in the top, 1 onion, and I cut only a little bit here. Piece the onion, 1 quart onion, and I have thyme, is 1 bunch, the dry thyme, marjoram, dry marjoram. This is the best for the pozole. This is the secret. This ingredient to put on in the pozole is very delicious. They give you very good taste. And I have some radishes. I have half lettuce, 2 avocados. I have 1 chile ancho, and I remove all the seed. 4 chiles de arbol. If you don't eat spicy, don't put all the chile de arbol, only put 1, because this chile de arbol is very spicy. And I have 9 chiles guajillo, and I remove the same, all the seed. 4 cloves of garlic. The garlic is for the salsa, to make it the salsa. Medium spoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Some tortillas for making the tostadas. And wash the chicken and cut in a small piece. I have 5 liters of water, boiling the water. I add the onion, add the garlic. Now I add the chicken. Add the chicken. And leave on medium-high heat. After 10 minutes, we remove all the foam, all the white foam. Remove all. It's very important to wash the white hominy, the pozole. Now add the white hominy, the pozole blanco, add the thyme and marjoram all together. Don't worry about the how you call this one, the stick. Don't worry. And after we remove, add salt, 1 tablespoon. Leave on medium-high heat for 45 to 15 minutes. And boil 3 cups of water. Add the chiles, the chile ancho. And chile guajillos. Add the chile de arbol. Leave on medium heat After 6 minutes, turn off the stove and leave here for some minutes. Now grind the chiles in the blender. I'm gonna put the water too, 1 cup. Add the black pepper, the garlic, and the oregano. The onion. And we now grind the chiles. Now the salsa is ready. When the oil is hot, add the salsa. And mix. Add half cup of water. Leave on medium heat. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt. After 12 minutes, the salsa is ready. Now I'll turn off the oven. After 45 minutes, I check my pozole. I check the pozole and the chicken. I was thinking it's ready, but I need to leave more time, maybe 20 minutes more to cook, because I want to make sure the chicken is soft. And the chicken and the same with the pozole. After 20 minutes, now chicken is soft, is ready. So before I put 45 minutes and more 20 minutes is total 1 or 5 minutes. I wanna take out the chicken. I wanna remove the chicken. All the chicken. And I remove all the garlic. The onion. I remove all the onion and garlic and the thyme and the marjoram. Now I'm ready for add the salsa. Now add the salsa into the pozole. Leave on medium heat for 10 minutes. I remove all the bone from the chicken, the beef. After 10 minutes, add the chicken. I want to put back the chicken. Look, the delicious pozole. Red pozole, so delicious. Smell, oh my gosh. Add the half teaspoon salt. And cover and leave on medium heat for 5 minutes. Turn off the oven. The pozole is done. Oh, so delicious, smells so good. And after they cut the letters, we wanna wash. I wanna cut the radish. I have here 2 cups the vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, we wanna fry the tortilla. To fry the tortilla. This is important, the tostadas. Making the tostada for the pozole. I'm gonna put it here the tortilla. Dorar la tortilla means making the color golden brown. The color brown. When the tortilla look like this color, the golden, like that. You wanna remove from the oil. Now we wanna put in the pozole. It's ready for the eat. You wanna put lettuce. So delicious. If you want, you put onion. They have the radish. If you like the oregano, you can put oregano. Some avocado. And lemon juice. With the tostadas. So delicious. Like that. Now enjoy this delicious pozole. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell. And I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.